All right, we're out in the field, and the customer, they tried to replace the battery, and they crossed the terminals, and it blew the fuse. And let me show First of all, we're going to take the fuse out, and this is what the fuse looks like. It has one's a 200 amp fuse and one's a 125 amp fuse. All right, I just pulled the unit out. This is the unit on the side of the on the passenger side. It's very hot right here. Let's go ahead and get a temperature reading on it. Well, it was 105 degrees about a minute ago, so the temperature's dropping fast. It's been out of the vehicle for approximately 2 minutes. So 100 degrees, it's hot. Smells burnt. You want to smell that? What do you think?
Yeah, I smell the burnt.
Yeah, it's burnt up. All right, so I'm going to replace that, and we're going to start there. This is what happens when you cross the negative and the positive on the battery on that F350 right here. This is what it looks like right here. Cross the battery terminals. You put a wrong battery in there. The posts were different. He plugged it up and burnt up not only the fuse, the main fusible link, but he also burned out that little a fuse box on the passenger side. So anyways, we're going to go get a new one and go from there. Dash lights aren't working, ignition switch when you turn the on position, nothing comes on, nothing lights up. So we're going to do that. Okay. All right, I'm going to remove this section. And there it is, y'all. That's a big burn right there. Totally fried the board. Okay. This is crossing the negative and the positive battery terminals, and this is what you get. So all you really got to do is smell it, I guess. After you repair the fusible link by the battery, you know, if the lights still don't come on in the dash, nothing works. Just go around to the passenger side, I guess, and just give it a good smell. And you should smell something. And that's it, y'all. All right, we're going to go ahead and install a dealer part. All right, y'all, we installed a new body control module / smart box, whatever Ford wants to call it. That's that unit right there. We put a new one in there. The vehicle still will not start. This vehicle does not have a PAT system on it, and you can see there's no ring around here. All right, so all right, let's go into the body control module. Let me show you just what I have in case you run into this. If you ever cross the battery terminals on this, you know you're going to have to take it to the dealer. Maybe, I don't, you know, maybe I just got screwed because it doesn't have a PAT system. I don't know. You know, I'm still learning stuff. We're going to read fault codes out of the body control module. It's going to test the system. Things are going to start blowing and things are going to start turning on. You see horn blowing and blinkers blinking. And okay, we have these are the codes I got: the transponder, target identifier, and you know, you don't have enough keys programmed in the system. But we don't have a transponder here. We don't have a ring around there, and so the BCM is trying to find it. The BCM is trying to find a PAT system, and it doesn't have a PAT system on it, so it's locking down the vehicle. Because we have no PAT system, obviously, okay? So that is trying to find a PAT system. It doesn't have one. Nothing. All right, so I'm gonna head to the dealer and get some information. All right, y'all, Hayes Mobile Auto Repair. We're gonna make this happen today, one way or another. All right, go ahead and pull that key out. It's kind of driving me crazy. All right, we out of here. Ace, let's go. What? You ready to go in the truck? Go in the truck. All right, y'all, we're gonna go do this. You show everybody how smart you are, huh? All right, go in the truck, let's go. You ready to go? You've been riding in the truck with me since you was like 2 months old. All right, y'all, we out. All right, y'all, this is what I did. I went to the dealer and they told me that I would have to bring the vehicle in and program the computer with the BCM and do some configurations. The truck was in there a week and a half. I spoke with the technician twice. The second and last time I saw him, he didn't know what to do. So I suggested, since we know the PATS codes were coming up, I said, let's just help it find a PATS system. So I went and grabbed an immobilizer, gave him the immobilizer, told him to install it and program it. Get 2 new keys and program it and see what happens. Lo and behold, it fixed the problem and we were down the road. And now it runs, but it is now a PATS system vehicle. Now it is a security vehicle. It's no longer a non-PATS vehicle. The key has a chip in it now. And we have an immobilizer that the key goes in and it reads the key, the ring, and then it sends it to the BCM, which allows it to start. So, and that is what we had to find. That's what the immobilizer is what the BCM was looking for. So we installed one, got some keys, 2 of them. You need 2 of them to program a Ford. Got 2 keys and programmed it, and done deal. A week and a half at the dealership. And it took me going in there to instruct these technicians on what to do, which is a shame. I thought when you go to the dealer, you're supposed to get superior service. Anyways, I've been talking about that for a long time, how the dealership does, folks. There's no reason I shouldn't be able to go to the dealership and buy me a BCM under this VIN number, which I did, and get a BCM that is non-PATS, okay? But they, in other words, I should be able to go to the dealership, give them my VIN number, get a BCM, plug it in, turn the key, and my vehicle should start on a non-PATS vehicle. Do you understand what I'm saying? Dealership knows what they're doing. So that way, if you ever have that problem, like they tried to tell me, it'll be $2,000–3,000 to install a PATS system on your vehicle. Because I was trying to come up with a solution with them, trying to brainstorm with them. They know what they're doing. So don't get caught up. If you got a older vehicle and it's a PATS system, man, just go get you an immobilizer, that little ring. It snaps right in it. You plug it up. There's the harness is right there. So if you got a 2012, 2013, 14. All right, got my money back from Ford. We're trying to take advantage of this mechanic. I'm coming, be there in a minute. All right. Unbelievable, I got to go through all that just to force these people to be fair, or any dealership. It's just not these guys, it's all these dealerships. So I got that back. So you cannot play with Hayes. Let me get my money back. So be careful, y'all.